Hey, good afternoon. This is Bob from Trade Genius, and I wanted to talk about the market. Today is the 19th of May, Thursday, and what an absolutely crazy day. And so, what's really interesting to start off with is that the neckline broke on SPY, and it looked like it was trying to. It pierced it yesterday, and actually the market opened up, and it was down a little bit, and it was coming up back up through to see if it was going to either test it or break it. And then the news came out on that terrorist bombing of the jet, and it basically collapsed SPY down pretty good. Not a whole lot. It didn't get very low, and it turned around and it came right back up to the neckline. So tomorrow we have a very interesting day. Is that sometimes when these head and shoulders break, they come back and they test the neckline from underneath before they sell off. So we're gonna have to watch and see what happens. Fridays of OPEX is tends to be pretty benign because of all the puts and calls are being obliterated, and there's not a whole lot of leverage to take out tomorrow. So we'll see. It'll be pretty much all macro driven. And but what gives me some concern about the short side is that we have a buy signal here, and the market's really oversold. And so there's a good chance that this could be a bottom that they're going to try to push up to see if it fails. So we're going to watch this very, very carefully. I had puts on earlier in the day, and I went ahead and I had TVIX, and I had Dust, and I had SDS. And so I set stops on SDS, Dust, and TVIX. I'll talk about those in a second. And then I went long XIV, and I closed my puts. So I think there's a good chance that we could pop tomorrow or Monday, just depending on who they're going to go after. But it looks like up might be it. So let's talk about Dust. We had a great day yesterday, some vindication as I talked about, and so we got in. It was at basically 13.20, and we sold out today at 15.50. It got up to 16.50, but then I think the news with the terrorism gave some bid to the market. If not, if this continues, then the metals and miners are truly in a strong bull market. But we'll have to wait and see. But we got out of that, and then we got into TVIX. It was a build position for me, and so I was going to buy it 3 straight down days. Made my first purchase yesterday at 305, and my stop was at 330 going into the day, and it hit it right away. Market then went higher. I mean, TVIX went higher, but then I was out of it already, so quick 9% on that. And then SDS, we bought an SDS last week as we were watching this descending triangle happen, and we got taken out right into the close here at 1910. We bought it at 1883. And the thing about these leverage short positions going against a market that seems to always want to try to go up, I'm just not going to have too much patience for it. So uh, I bailed out, and so we're out of those 3 short positions. The only one I'm in that's really short is ERY, and it's just been grinding and grinding and grinding. But once oil relents, that thing will pop. Biotech's been great. We've been with INO, and our buy price is at 10.50, and I'm expecting INO just to keep grinding higher. It's a great company, and it's a great stock, and it's gonna pay off for us. My other one that I'm holding is PACB, and PACB actually went into the green for us. It went all the way up to 10.30, I think, today. Let's see here, what was the high today on it? The high was 10.20, and our buy price on this is 9.50. So we're in the chips on this one, but I'm holding this one as a potential acquisition. And then we also got into AMIT, and at 14.30, and we're still in it. Again, this is the inverse head and shoulders. It's a wedge down that's being broken, and I think it's gonna give us a couple points. So those are some things I'm trading, and of course my old standby XIV, which just continues to amaze me. So our official buy signal is at 16.80, and we're up almost $1 on it in one day. And so it's just the thing that I hold the most and the most of every time, and we had a buy signal on it, as you can see from the chart. And I held I held a good position of it overnight because I just think that there's a potential tomorrow they may just try to rip the short's face off. So anyway, you guys have a great day. I'll put some other stock videos out tonight, and we'll catch you tomorrow. If you're interested in our videos and you just want to be notified, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. And we also have a blog. You can go out on our site. I try to update it a couple times a week with some interesting information. And then if you think we can help you make money, we would love to have you on board as a subscriber. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.